The Pakistan Meteorological Department says that there is a strong possibility of more intermittent monsoon rains in several parts of the country from August 29 to September 2. According to the Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of thunderstorms in the country's capital, Islamabad, and several cities in Punjab province, including Rawalpindi, Murree, Attock, Chakwal, Jhelum, Hafizabad, Wazirabad, Lahore, Kasur, Sheikhupura, Sialkot, Narawal, Mianwali, Faisalabad. The Meteorological Department has also predicted monsoon rains in several areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, including Dir, Chitral, Mansehra, Abbottabad, Haripur, Buner, Kohat, Charsada, Tank, and Mardan. In addition, intermittent rains are also likely in Mithi, Tharparkar, Sukur, Larkana, Jacobabad, Dadu, and Umarkot in Sindh. According to the Meteorological Department, there is also a possibility of rain in several districts of Balochistan, including Barkan, Musakhel, Sibi, Zob, Kalat, and Khuzdar. This is Radio Jeevay Pakistan Digital.